Welcome back to the Keyz Quizzes. Guess the 15 animals general knowledge in 5 seconds. Let's go. Which animal is known as the king of jungle? Lion. What color are zebras? Black and white. Which bird can mimic human speech? Parrot. What do pandas primarily eat? Bamboo. Which animal is the largest mammal on earth? Blue whale. Which animal is known for the long neck? Giraffe. What type of animal is dolphin? Mammal. Which animal is famous for changing colors? Chameleon. How many legs does a spider have? 8 legs. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which bird is known for its colorful tail feathers? Peacock. Which animal is known to laugh? Hyena. What do cows produce that human drink? Milk. Which animal lives in den and hibernate in winter? Bear. What kind of animal is Nemo and Finding Nemo? Clownfish. Which animal can sleep standing up? Horse. What animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Camel. Which animal has a trunk? Elephant. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Giraffe. What do bees produce that humans eat? Honey. Which animal is known to have a pouch for carrying babies? Kangaroo. What kind of animal is Komodo dragon? Lizard. Which bird can't fly but swims well? Penguin. What animal uses echolocation to negative in the dark? Bat. What is the largest land animal? Elephant. Which animal has black and white stripes? Zebra. Which bird is known for the nighttime hooting? Owl. What animal is often associated with wise old age? Owl. Which animal can hold its breath underwater for the 45 minutes? Hippo. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Tortoise. Which animal is known for its powerful kick? Kangaroo. Which insect makes honey? Bee. Which animal lives in a coral reef? Clownfish. What is a baby cow called? Cow. Which animal is famous for its shield? Turtle. Which bird can fly backward? Hummingbird. Which animal has the most legs? Centipede. Which animal is known for playing dead to avoid danger? Possum. Which mammal is known to lay eggs? Duck-billed platypus. Which animal uses ink as a defense mechanism? Octopus. Which bird is known for building elaborate nets? Bowerbird. Which sea animal is known for its large shell? Snail. Which animal is known to laugh when happy? Dog. What do dolphins use to communicate? Clicking sounds. Which animal has the ability to regrow lost limbs? Starfish. Which animal has sharp quills as a defense? Hedgehog. What is a baby goat called? Kid. Which insect has colorful wings? Butterfly. Which animal is famous for its loud roar? Lion. Which animal is known to have spots and lives in Africa? Giraffe. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates.